Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Opportunity Scholar, where we bring important updates on study abroad opportunities, scholarships, and earning platforms where students can earn as they enroll in their schools. So, today's video, I'm going to be guiding you on how you're going to create your accounts on Google Play Book Partner Center. Okay, so for people that have been asking me, how do they create their accounts? Okay, if you're having issues creating your account, this video is for you. So make sure you watch to the end so that you don't make any mistake. So first of all, you're going to go to your browser, whichever browser you're using. Go to your browser. You're going to search for Google Play Book Partner Center. So as you can see on my screen, I'm already on the browser. I'm already on the place. So go to your Chrome. You search for Google Play Book Partner Center. Okay, once you search for it, it's going to bring you to this first place. Okay, once it brings you to this first part, you're going to click on it. Ensure it is the right place you're clicking. Okay, Google Play Book Partner Center. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this part where it says you should get started. Okay, you click on get started. When you click on get started, it's going to bring you to the part where you're going to choose whether you are the publisher, or you are a self-published author, or you are a distributor or service provider. Okay, if you're a publisher can also mean people who own a website. Okay, if you have a website where you upload books, you can also choose publisher. And if you're a self-published author, you can also choose it. So the publisher part and the self-published author is still the same thing. Okay, so if I choose publisher, it's going to bring me to this section where I'm going to choose write my publisher name. I'm going to choose the country and then my website. So I'm going to fill in these details. So there's one thing I want you to know concerning Google Book Publisher. Google Book Publisher is not available for most African countries. Okay, I think the only African countries that is accepted now is South Africa, and a few Asian countries also is also accepted. So, but mostly it is only available for Western countries. Okay, so I'm going to put my publisher name. So make sure you choose a unique name. Okay, that haven't appeared on Google Playbook before. Okay, so I'm going to choose my name. I'm going to put let me put Books Center Limited. Limited. So this country aspects, you're going to choose your country, the country you want. Okay, I'm going to choose UK. Let me choose UK. United Kingdom. You can choose United Kingdom. You can choose US. The reason why I would say you should go for US or UK is because UK account you can easily get it here in Nigeria. Okay, and US account, US, UK, Canada, and let's say some British currency, you can also get it here in Nigeria. Okay, but if you go for this United Arab, Turkey, let's say maybe you have a brother over there that will help you accept payments in Google Play. Okay, but I advise you choose US, UK. Okay, because of the payment issues. So in this part, I'm going to choose United Kingdom. Then I'm going to put my website. Okay, I'm going to put my website. And for phone number, you don't need to worry about phone number. Okay, for phone number, you can just type something there. Let me do this first. So phone number You can see I choose UK. So now I choose UK, and it gave me a US number. US is +1, and I think Liberia and some other countries. So since I choose UK, I'm going to go here and change it to UK. So, but in this phone number aspect, if you don't have a UK phone number, if you don't have a US phone number, depending the country you're going to use, okay, since you choose your since you choose United Kingdom as your country, if you don't have a United Kingdom phone number, you can choose Nigeria, because in this section of the phone number it allows Nigeria, okay, but in the country it doesn't allow Nigeria. So in this part you can put your Nigerian number, okay, just change it to +234 okay. Okay, I did +234. Okay, let me just search for Nigeria. Okay, you can see Nigeria showed. Oh, this is fast. So you can see Nigeria. Okay, so you can see Nigeria showed here. So you can put your Nigeria number. So, but if you say you want to still leave it at UK, you can still put UK. But if you're searching for number, you don't need to search for number because you choose UK, or because you choose US as a country. You don't need to search or be looking for US number. I just need to type any number there. Okay, that's what I do. I will just search for any number. Okay, let me say for example now, let me change it back to UK. Let me change it back to UK. So let me say for example, I'm going to put 89. Okay, I'm going to put this, and it's going to still work. Okay, you don't need to, because they're not going to tell you to verify your phone number. No, they won't tell you that. You just need to just put any number you have, and then you click next button. When you click the next button, you make sure you tick all these boxes. Once you tick all these boxes, you click not a robot. Okay, so let's wait for it to sync. So once it's done, you're going to choose I agree. So once you choose I agree, it's going to take you to your dashboard. So let me choose I agree. You can see it's saying creating partner created successfully. So it will automatically bring me to the partner center, where I'm going to upload my book. So in this part, they will tell you to create your payment profile. Okay, this is where you're going to add your details, your name. Okay, then this place is where they will tell you put your bank account. Okay, you can see, let me open it. So in this part of payment center, you're going to put your name that appears in your account number. Then in this part, make sure you change it to individual. Okay, if your organization, if you are an individual person that is publishing a book on Google Play, just leave it at individual. So but if yours is an organization, okay, you have a lot of book that you want to be publishing for people, do you get it? You can put it at organization. Okay, then you're going to add your name, your business name. I added Chi, I think I put Chi something. Chi Books Partner Limited, something like that. Chi Books Partner Limited. So because of I organization. That is why it asks me to put my business name. Okay, so in this part, you're going to put your name, then your address, your city, put all your information, then you click submit. Once you click submit, it's going to take you automatically to where you're going to put your payment details, where you'll be paid. Okay, let me do this. So remember, before I forget, remember this business location, you have to change it because I choose the UK from the onset. So, but it automatically choose US. So ensure that you change it to UK. So I'm going to change it to UK. Okay. So let me change it back to just individual. Okay. Going to put individual. Let me put which name? Concerning this name, please, you're going to put a name that doesn't exist, because if you create an account and you put a name that has existed on their platform, when you click submit, or maybe when you upload your book, their system is going to check if that name has appeared before on their system, and if that name has appeared before on their system, they will ban your account. And even if you request for review or you appeal, you're likely to get the account back, and you are not, it's 50-50. It's mostly you're not going to get the account back. So ensure you put a name that doesn't exist. So in this part, I will just advise you that you put like four names. Do you get it? So let me put so then the address, you don't need to bother about address. You just have to just come here, you type something like any number, just type either 23 or any number. Once you type any number, it's going to automatically give you an address. Then you just tap on it, and then the number aspect is option, as you can see it. So in this part, you're going to choose, I forgot the name. Let me put back the name. She books. So once you do everything, the option to submit is going to pop out. You tap submit. So the phone number is optional. You can choose to leave it like that. It doesn't matter. So you can see it has brought you to the aspect where you're going to link your details, your account details. Then for the taxation, just leave the tax, okay? So the tax is for people who reside in country where tax is mandatory, like US. Okay. So, but if you choose US, just know you're going to pay tax. But if you choose UK, tax is optional. Okay. So this place, when you tap it, it's going to bring you where you're going to link your account. Then the tax center, just leave it. So then we are going to check the account settings. That's where we're going to go to make sure that everything is being set correctly. Okay, the account is set correctly. So the account is set correctly. So let's go to payment center. So the payment center settings, under the payment center, when you click on the payment center, ensure you go to sales territories. Okay, if yours is not set at word, You can see my mouse. If yours is not set at mouse at word, ensure you go to this edit aspect on the payment center. Go to the edit section, you edit it and add word to it. Reason is because when you upload your book and it is not set at worldwide, if the territory is not set at worldwide, the book will be rejected. Okay, so these are things you ought to know concerning your Google Play book. And this report section, they just recently introduced it. Also, your book catalog. Book catalog is where you're going to see the number of books you've published. Okay, the series catalog is your series, your book series. For those of you that are going to publish book like part one, part two, and the rest. Okay, so this is where you're going to promote your book, the promotion aspect. Okay, you're going to promote it to reach to be at the first stage in Google Playbook, so that customers can see your book first and patronize it. Okay, then this is the analytics, where you're going to see insights about how your book is doing, how people are viewing your book in different parts of the country. So think that will be all for how to create a Google Playbook. If you have any issue, if you're trying to create and maybe you stop at a particular point, you're unable to create the book, please let me know. Okay, let me know in the comment section, or you can message me on my WhatsApp number, or you can also message us on our group chat. I'm going to drop the WhatsApp group chat where other learners are also in the group. You can also interact to get information, to get feedback from other students. So that will be all on Google Playbook Partner Center. See you in my next video. Bye.